Hello everybody. Here is an 1886 series ceiling fan. Got it at the Habitat Restore for $40, and these were on in a hotel, an old hotel. This one is from 1986. It was in a 100 year. It was in a 100. It's a 100 year. It is in a 100-year fan, and it did come with a lower canopy. It's right here. Yeah. There it is. I picked this fan out because there's a little logo that's down here too. You can see it. There we go. And so let's spin it. It's like 50 pounds. It's really heavy. Sorry about that. It's just really heavy. Let me see. Nope. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't want to spin it too fast. So, that's it with 2 blades. Wait, let's just let it spin down. And it does, and you can add 4 blades on it. I just put 2 blades so it can kind of look like the limited, the very early. This is a replica of one from like 120 years ago. That's when Hunter was created. Has 2 other blades as well. See you. Thanks for watching. So here's 4 blades. So let's just spin it. So that's about it with 4 blades. And the chain has sunk in here because it's a really short chain. Bye.